Hello everyone, you are watching Learn Easy with us. We provide educational and training videos every day. To stay updated with our latest content, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Please share your valuable feedback in the comments below after watching the video. Without any delay, let's get started. Ready? Let's dive into today's topic.
You can use ChatGPT to reorganize and reclassify data. So let's jump in. First, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to just give me a list of 20 important dates that changed the world. So you might have a set of data already that you are looking to work with. But for me, I had ChatGPT create some data for us to show you for this example. So here is a list of 20 significant historical events that changed the course of the world. Now we can ask it to organize the data alphabetically. And you can see we are reorganizing these alphabetically. Now let's ask ChatGPT to organize this data chronologically. We can see that ChatGPT is organizing this in chronological order. Next, we can ask ChatGPT to organize this in tabular format. Great. Now let's add ChatGPT to add a column for geographical location. So you can keep adding columns or organize the data however makes most sense to you and your use case. But the best thing is in the tabular format, you can copy this and it will retain its format. And now we can paste this into notes and boom, you can see it retained its format. This is to show that you can use ChatGPT to reorganize any set of information in any way that you can imagine. Now we're going to use ChatGPT for named entry recognition, which basically means just extracting names from text. So here I'm going to paste in this article that I found on James Webb Telescope, and I'm going to ask ChatGPT to extract some important data. So as you can see, I asked ChatGPT to extract names, dates, and location from the following text. And here we go. This was a pretty long text. And right away, we have all the names written out here, all the dates written out here, and all of the locations written out here. This is way quicker and way easier to look at and understand than this is. This is just one specific example of how you can use this function, but you can let your imagination run wild. You can use this for research. You can use this for new products that are coming out that you don't want to have to read everything about. You can use it for manuals of how things work online and just extract the important things. Maybe your competitor drops some new article or some new product and you just want to know the important pieces of information to you. You can use this function to extract the information that you need. You can use this to save you time and energy. Now on to advanced data reorganization and classification. Text classification. You can use ChatGPT to categorize text data into different classes or categories based on their content. Text classification is the task of assigning predefined categories or labels to text data based on its content. You could use text classification to categorize news articles into topics like sports, politics, technology, etc. We're going to take the example from our previous lesson and expand it into 5 different categories. Let's dive right into ChatGPT. We're going to use this example of 20 significant world events, and we're going to organize it into different categories. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to organize this list into the kind of event that it is. So as you can see, ChatGPT was able to organize our chart into the kind of event that it is. It added this type column over here and explains this is a war, scientific progress, etc., etc. Now I'm going to ask ChatGPT to categorize the data even further. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to organize this data by century, scale, impact, and duration. Great. So you can see that ChatGPT organized the data into the new categories that we asked for. You can also ask ChatGPT to organize data by significance or really any other category that you can think of. You can use this for food, nutrition. You can use this for sales. Really any set of data that you have, you can put it into ChatGPT and ask it to organize however you want, which is more relevant for some businesses than others. But everybody at some point comes across some kind of data, and we always love to break things down. Let ChatGPT do that for you.
Thanks for watching the video till the end. Please leave your thoughts below so we can discuss more about the topic. If you'd like to suggest a video that could help the community, feel free to message me on X or Instagram. We also share short videos on Instagram, so make sure to follow us there. Feel free to reach out. We'd love to hear from you, and might even create a video based on your suggestion.